In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate on Android Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy-to-follow instructions on how to properly set up the refresh rate on your Samsung device. Most Samsung devices nowadays will allow you to change the refresh rate. So instead of using 60, which can be jarring and it looks bad, you will be able to enable higher refresh rates, making everything smoother, and it is better to just use on a day-to-day basis or to even do stuff like playing fast-paced games. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is go over to the settings and then find the display category. If you cannot find it here, just use the search function, but it is going to be the third option from the top. So when you go into the third category and you find display, you will have to go into motion smoothness. So instead of calling it refresh rate, they refer to this as motion smoothness. And you will have two main options, adaptive and standard. Standard is the default. So if you set it to standard, you scroll up and down, you will notice that it is jittery and the screen is not updating constantly. Now, if you set it to adaptive, this will make the screen update much faster and that jitteriness will go away. So it feels much better. It will consume a little bit more battery, but it is absolutely worth it. What you will notice is that unlike other manufacturers, Samsung does not allow you to set it to a fixed 120 Hz. They refer to it as adaptive. So basically, the device will automatically control the refresh rate. And whenever it believes that it is most usable, it is going to set the refresh rate to 120 automatically. So even though you can't set it to a locked 120 Hz, you will still be able to enjoy the higher refresh rates and you will notice a difference. So all that you have to do is go over to this display category, find motion smoothness and change it to adaptive. And whenever you are playing fast-paced games or even just browsing day-to-day usage, you will be able to have those higher refresh rate active. Like I mentioned, it will consume a little bit more battery, but it is an absolutely worth it trade-off. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on Android Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.